In this section, we're going to show you how all the skid steers navigate over rough terrain.
The Cat machine's front wheels stay in touch with the ground until they reach the bump. As soon as the wheels raise over the first bump, the machine tips back. The weight distribution of the gel is not optimal. As it reaches the bump, the machine tips back. Then it tips suddenly forward. Not an easy machine to drive in these conditions. The S160 completely tilts back as soon as the front wheels raise a little over the first bump. Test failed. Even worse result for the bigger S185. The machine tips completely back. It is not possible to go forward. Test failed. Excellent results for New Holland. Thanks to an excellent weight distribution and a long wheelbase, our machines prove to be the most stable among the group. The L213 passes over the bumps without even raising the front wheels from the ground. Same result for the L218. Despite its bigger size, the stability and safety of this machine proved to be excellent.